Premier Water and Sewer. We're doing a post-repair lateral inspection at 3908 Opal. Here's the main connection. Pulling back, orange clay. Main is across the street. Some liquids going in downstream. There's a spot downstream here that we still got to clean out. We got roots there. It looks like it might actually go to 6-inch there.
All the tables had like
Going back.
which we want.
There's our chain cutter. We're going to clear these roots out that are downstream here. They're hard to see in the water. There's our PVC connection. Pause here and we'll go upstream of the transition. Right, resuming the cording. Here we are at the house line. There's 4-inch cast iron out of the house. Goes through a 90. And right there you see there's some roots left over there. We could not get the camera pushed upstream through those to get the video. So we cleared them out. But there was a full wad of roots there. Back in 4-inch clay. PVC. There's the bottom of our cleanout. There's some of the roots we cleaned out. As you can see, it's a pretty good wad. That'll conclude the video.